Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can insert hyperlinks into diagrams and texts on Draw.io. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to diagram and let me go with that example diagram here with that text box. So what you want to do is, if you don't know how to add text to a diagram, double click into the canvas, select this option in the top left, and that is going to add the text with that example text here. So double click into the example text and that is going to redirect you to that menu here to the right. So you may attach an image, for example, or a hyperlink by clicking into this button. And here simply select the page you would like to use. I will go with, for example, you can link internally, for instance, to page, page 3 of the document, or if you'd like to use an external URL, enter it here. And you may also redirect to Google Drive or GitHub or Dropbox. So I will go with an external address. Simply enter it here, like, Google, and click into OK. And that is going to add the hyperlink to the text. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.